Hello and welcome back. My name is Karlyn Ankrom, founder and lead strategist at Snap Social. And today we're talking all about the trends that I'm spotting in the social media landscape for 2024. Let's dive in. Okay, so number one is SEO, search engine optimization, and leveraging the power of keywords that go beyond the hashtag in your captions across platforms. Why is this important? Well, studies have shown that many of us currently are leveraging the good old search bars within Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and of course, Pinterest and YouTube to find the solutions that we're looking for. So this is your reminder to yes, continue to use hashtags, and yes, think strategically about how you are formulating your captions, making sure that you're including some keywords in there. If you need assistance with how to leverage keywords or how to find keywords, please be sure to check out some of my other videos. Now on to number two. Now this comes as no surprise, but video still reigns supreme. But more importantly, that short form video that you've been putting on TikTok and on Instagram in the form of Reels is very much making its way over to YouTube in the form of YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is something that I think right now, as we sit here and record this, is a little bit underutilized. And you will see from me and other creators here going forward, a larger adoption of YouTube Shorts in 2024. After all, YouTube is owned by Google. It is a massive search engine, and YouTube Shorts is a way to get your message out to the masses. However, there is one caveat as we sit here today. The algorithm is not as rich as the For You page on TikTok, and slowly coming behind it, Instagram Reels. So yes, you're getting a lot of views, but how many of those views are you converting? So I'm very much looking forward to one, adopting more YouTube Shorts into my marketing strategy, and two, I'm looking forward to YouTube really refining that algorithm as more of that adoption happens in 2024. The third trend that I'm seeing right here, right now is simple text-based posts over on LinkedIn. If you are a B2B business, and you serve other businesses, business to business, B2B, then you need to be present on LinkedIn. Yes, the algorithms have changed a little bit this year in 2023, but as we move into 2024, I want you to be overly curious on the different types of content that you can put up there. Recently, I've been testing text-based only content. And not only is it getting seen by the right people, but people are actually engaging with my calls to action. That is huge. So on LinkedIn, there is no need to complicate it and come up with a snappy graphic or a document that works as a slider or doing a long form video where you can just take excerpts and repurpose it from your blog, take some pieces of your newsletter, and give it a spin that's perfect for your LinkedIn audience. No images required. Give that a try and let me know how it goes. Now on to number 4, AI. What a sexy topic.
Digital bound ticker.
Ow, ow. But I will tell you, you have to still be careful with adopting AI. Originally, I was very scared of AI as a social media content creator and strategist. I was like, oh boy, this could be the end. But I will tell you, in developing prompts of my own, developing business briefs and putting them into platforms where it makes sense to do so, you still need the human thumbprint. You still need to double check for accuracies. In fact, you'll see those warning labels and disclaimers all over these AI tools. But in the future, going forward, adoption of AI is going to continue to up-level, and being in the social media space, you have to become BFFs with AI. And the way that you can use it is 3 different ways. 1, for speed. You can move extremely fast utilizing AI. Speed is essential in today's 24/7 news cycle and 24/7 just in general digital landscape. People expect instant results and instant social interactions within communities and your company pages as well. The second way I would use AI moving into 2024 is the ability to repurpose content. There is nothing I love more than taking a client's anchor piece of content, whether it is a transcript from a video or a blog, and put it into AI and say, hey, can you create 17 tweets from this? And it spits it out like that. And I love that. However, again, I still have to go back through and put that thumbprint. And the reason why I say that is full disclosure here. Are you ready? I once wrote a blog outline utilizing AI. I passed it off to my human copywriter. I said, hey, can you just take a look at this outline? And she's like, happy to. And then she got back to me, she goes, don't be offended by this, but did you use AI to create this outline? I said, I did. How did you know? And she said, it says everything and nothing at the same time. I thought that was the perfect way to describe the work that AI does. It says everything and also nothing at the same time, which is why you have to put that human element onto it. So we have speed, we have repurposing, and the last and certainly not least use case for me is inspiration. There is nothing more intimidating, even to us who are really great at writing and telling stories, than a blinking cursor on a white Word doc. Okay? So getting your thoughts out there, creating an outline, giving those bullet points of how you want something to sound or some tips that you'd like to share, there's nothing better than having AI just give that little nudge in the right direction. So AI is continuing to be something that you want to develop and incorporate within your business, but do it in a way that feels the most aligned with you. And our fifth trend that we are seeing within the social media landscape for 2024 is community. Now, I'm not just talking building connections and building relationships and all of those things. I am thinking about making the internet just feel smaller. Because the internet right now, the social media space right now it's very noisy. So as we move forward, I want you to think about how can you harness the power of your community, whether it's leveraging Facebook groups, or maybe creating and setting up a channel over on Discord, or maybe you're developing an audio experience over on LinkedIn. Where are you creating that experience for your audience to make the internet feel smaller? So those are my top 5 trends that I'm spotting into 2024. Let me know, what am I missing? What are you seeing out there that you can't wait to implement in 2024? I look forward to your comments. And for now, this is Karlyn Ankrom. I'll see you through the screen soon. Bye for now.